Regret. Let me tell you a story first, and then I'll share a tool that I use for avoiding to have regrets. When I was a real estate agent in Hong Kong, there was this one client that I took out, and we went to see this apartment. It was a duplex in the city center, and it was stunning. But it had something that was just not quite right. The client hesitated, waited, and then by the time that they made a decision to take it, the flat was gone. What happened afterwards was that every single other flat that I showed that client was never good enough. And the sentence that came up was, I want something like the duplex. It was gone, it was too late, nothing that can be changed. Now I've learned, when something's about to happen, when you make a decision, I ask myself, if this goes away, will I regret it? If there's a ping, a tiny little inch of my body that goes, yes, whatever it feels, then I take action and I go for it. Because living with that regret for the rest of my life is something that I do not want to be doing. I've done that in the past. I don't want to be doing it anymore. I'd rather have remorse where you go, yeah, it wasn't particularly a good idea, but I did it and I'm happy I did.